This is exactly how to play Escape the Backrooms here, as you can see, with your controller on your PC. So the first thing we need to do is to connect our controller to our PC by clicking. I'm just gonna click on this button here. This is the button that I have to click for my specific controller to be able to turn it into pairing mode. And also I have to switch this little flicker here to wireless here, or to the Bluetooth mode here. If you also have this option, just switch to it and then we can connect it wirelessly. If you want, of course, you can also connect it via cable if you have that option, of course. Then I'm just gonna go into settings here. I hope you can see okay, and then go into Bluetooth and devices, and then click on add device here, and then click on Bluetooth. And I'm just gonna select my controller here, as you can see. So once it's connected here, what I'm going to do now is to just go back to Steam here on Escape the Backrooms. I'm just gonna focus a little bit more here so you can see it easier. So you can see it's gonna be mostly playable with my controller here. So now what I'm going to do as well is just right click on Escape the Backrooms and then click on Properties and then click on Controller. And then you can see it's gonna say use default settings. So you have to click on enable Steam input here, as you can see. That is very important. So once you have done so, you can also click on this controller symbol here, by the way, and you can click on this one here, and then you can select the community layouts and you can just find the one for you. So this one worked really well for me, by the way. And then I just had to click on apply layout, and basically that is exactly how to actually play with your controller here, as you can see, on Escape the Backrooms on your PC.